It's Denise, and in this video I'm participating in the Pumpkin Palooza challenge hosted by Auntie CooCoo, and we are to create a DIY project that's pumpkin themed for under $5. So if you want to see what I managed to put together, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I am taking on Auntie CooCoo and Pumpkin Palooza. But before we jump into that, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and that kind of thing, subscribe. Or if you want to learn about products that can benefit you in your home, subscribe, because I make videos about those topics all the time. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, so let's jump into the challenge. So for this project, I'm creating a three-dimensional plaque, and I'm using mostly recycled projects, paper from my craft stash, leaves and little pumpkins left over from projects from years ago, and glue and some tape. So let's get started. So this is the primary piece that I'm using for this project. It is a box that I received some beauty supplies in my Walmart beauty box. And then I looked through my scrapbooking papers and I found this one, and I like how it says gratitude right there. So my plan is that I will cover this box and have it so that the gratitude is in just the right place, and then I can layer some embellishments around there and have a three-dimensional plaque that says gratitude. I'll need a pencil, a paper cutter, some Hermafix tape tabs, and these are my recycled items from last year. And what I've got in here is some leaves, some leftover potpourri pieces, pine cone, and another little tiny pumpkin. And then I do have two new ones. I plan to use these for this year's decor, but I may end up using them on this project. So this one would have been at 40% off, 90 cents each, which would make this less than $2. And then I've got a glue stick over here. So since my countertop is so nubby and I want to be able to write on this, I'm going to put this on top of it just like this. So I've traced the box top on here, and I like the position of the gratitude. So now my paper is cut, and I like the position of gratitude, and so I'm going to attach it to the front of the box. So I will just put the tape tabs on it. And these are the Hermafix tape tabs. I use them for scrapbooking, and I really like the way they work. The paper is repositionable for a few minutes. put it on the front of the box. So now I'll get my leaves, and I want to put the leaves toward the bottom on this side. And these leaves are pretty beat up, but they'll be perfect for what I want. I just want them to be kind of scattered. And so I decided to take some push pins and put the leaves in place first of all, because I was getting the glue kind of everywhere. So I'm going to push these pins in to keep the leaves where I want them, and then I'll glue them with the glue stick. And I wanted this to be three-dimensional. Okay, so I've got all the leaves on that I need. Now, well, let's get the pumpkin on first, since this is Pumpkin Palooza. Here's a little tiny pumpkin right here. Here's an orange one that's a little bigger. I think that's probably going to be all I'm going to need from this. So now I'll put some glue on this pine cone. I'll just hold them in place for a few seconds. This is what we've got so far. It's looking pretty good. And then I've got some little potpourri pieces that were left from another project. And I'm going to see if I can get these on, see how they'll look on here. So this is looking pretty good. Here's my three-dimensional little plaque that says gratitude. Now I think I need to just kind of, I think I'll just trim those off. So here you have it, my three-dimensional plaque that says gratitude. And here are my pumpkins. We've got 3 different pumpkins there. Some little, looks like pecans or something. Just some little potpourri pieces, and then a pine cone, which I love to see in fall decorations. And here is my participation for Pumpkin Palooza. And I can use this when I do my fall festivals, so this is perfect. Let me take this opportunity to thank Auntie CooCoo for hosting this challenge. It was so much fun. And I was able to do it for the most part from things I already had in my stash. And for those of you who follow my channel know that DIY is typically not my thing, but this was one that I thought, I can do that. And I am really pleased with what I managed to create. Now, in case you're not familiar with Auntie CooCoo, I'll link her channel below so that you can check her out. She does all things home decor, and she loves seasonal home decor, so be sure and check her out. And then also there's a playlist, and you want to take a look at that so that you can see all the other things that the other creators have done. If you're looking for ideas for your fall decor, you're going to find them right there. So now here's my question for you. What part of this three-dimensional plaque interests you the most? Tell me in the comments section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you for another DIY. So now here's my question for you. What part of this three-dimensional plaque interests you the most? Tell me in the comments section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children.